One day I sought with her heart-thrilling eyes to make a truce and terms to entertain. All fearless then of so false enemies, which sought me to entrap in treason's train. So as I then disarmed did remain, a wicked ambush which lay hidden long in the close covert of her guilefull eyen, thence breaking forth did thick about me throng. Too feeble I to bide the brunt so strong, was forced to yield myself into their hands, who me captiuing straight with rigorous wrong, have ever since me kept in cruel bands. So, lady, now to you I do complain, against your eyes, that justice I may gain.